Buon pomeriggio, good afternoon. Thank you very much to be here. As a member of this chamber, I'm very pleased to welcome you at the European Parliament. Well, after 2 years of pandemic, we did not host many events here in the European Parliament, so these are the first ones. And as a member of this chamber, as I told you, I'm pleased to welcome you here. Hosting the second MEDECA International Conference is important for me because in my daily work on maritime and transport dossier, I have developed an approach that I can find mirrored in Life for MEDECA's work plan. Indeed, in my opinion, an effective measure that could reduce pollution and protect the environment has to be agreed at IMO level among all the states geographically involved in a determined area. And Mediterranean is, of course, an area for which European Union and non-EU countries has to speak and develop policies on this topic. This is exactly what we are speaking about today. And I really strongly believe in this project. As a citizen of a port city, I know quite well the negative effects and impacts that pollution from maritime transport and activities can have on environment and life quality. Every citizen of the coast knows it very well since we were children. And many good things have already been done with the help of ship owners, of port authorities, and the fishermen. I know as well the maritime industry, stakeholders, and the infrastructures governing bodies are committing themselves to cope with the green ambitions set up by the most important international entities, first of all by the European Union, even when those objectives could be still, how to say, in a confrontation. Today we have also voted in the European Parliament, the political groups are still divided on the ways to reach some goals, but the goals are supported by all the political spectrum. MEDECA is ambitious but concrete, and that's the point I'd like to underline. Being concrete is the only way we have to make the Mediterranean Sea greener than before, without harming the competitiveness and social sustainability of the enterprises, especially SMEs. Let's think about, for example, fisheries. It's an activity that is already facing a huge escalation of fuels prices, and in an upcoming future, it will have to comply with new sulphur limits, for which we are working on. We should think about a system of compensations, incentives, in order also to motivate all the persons involved to participate in a positive and constructive way. Moreover, we have to make sure that SMEs from third countries will comply and participate with all of us in these efforts, with new standards, as well the MEPs. The SMEs are already doing. Otherwise, there is a concrete risk of creating market distortions, because the Mediterranean is an area for which we have to collaborate and to cooperate all together, and it could give a big example to all the rest of the world. I thank Mr. Mario Doiani, his staff, and the Western Tyrrhenian Ports Authority, which is also here represented today, that coordinates the project. This is also very important because the role of Italy, I think, will be very important. But today's organization as only the result of an important job by your staff, all the persons which have been involved, my assistants as well. I believe that we have to be proud that such an important project is coordinated and directed by these persons. I'm going to listen carefully all the people which are speaking today, because I think their contributions will be very important. This is not the first moment we have had having meetings. The last one I participated only online because it was not easy for me to travel back to my country. And I look forward to know you all better at the end of the conference. There is also a moment of, I don't know how do they call these moments of networking, small reception. Thank you really very much.